Question number 5. An object moves directly from P to R. From P to R like this. P to R, it moves like this. In a shorter time, a second object moves from P to Q and to R. So one more object maybe moves like this over here and it moves over here. Okay. Which statement about two objects is correct for the journey from P to R? Okay. Now let us see what is it. They have the same average speed. Okay. Now it is average speed, average velocity, displacement and distance. Now let us find out first before you read the question. See, this PR is shortest distance as compared to going from PQ plus QR. Okay, I'll write down PR is less than PQ plus QR. Very much obvious. Okay, they have the same average speed. Will they have the same average speed? No, definitely no. They will not have the same average speed because you see the distances are different. They have the same average velocity. Do they have the same average velocity? What is average velocity? Average velocity is displacement divided by time taken. Now, will they have it? No, they will not have. The reason is so displacement could be same, but time may not be the same. The reason is because time is definitely not the same. It tells you here, if you read this one here, the shorter time. That means what? The time for this path is different as compared to this path. So definitely this option is also incorrect. Now let us look for the third option. They have the same displacement. Definitely that's right. Whether you go from here to here or you go like this over here, displacement is same. PR. So therefore, C should be your right answer. D, they travel the same distance, incorrect also. So therefore, C is the right answer.